Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're spotlighting a super cool and underrated houseplant if you ask me. That's full of character, the Rabbit's Foot Fern. This plant doesn't just bring that lush fern vibe, it's actually growing fuzzy feet that crawl over the edge of its pot. This plant gets its name from the furry rhizomes that creep over the soil surface and dangle down the sides of the pot. They really do look like little rabbit feet, but don't let their cuteness fool you. They're functional too, storing moisture and nutrients to help the plant thrive in tough conditions. The rabbit's foot fern is native to Fiji and other tropical islands in the Pacific, where it grows as an epiphyte, meaning it doesn't grow in the soil but rather on trees and rocks, absorbing moisture from the air. It was brought into cultivation for its unique appearance and adaptability as a houseplant. Unlike some fussy ferns, this one tends to be more forgiving if you meet a few key needs. This fern has finely divided lacy green fronds that grow in a soft arching habit. They're bright, fresh looking, and contrast beautifully with the fuzzy, silvery brown rhizomes crawling over the pot like little roots with fur coats. Over time, these rhizomes can really take over, wrapping around hanging baskets or even forming a mossy mat over the top soil. To keep your rabbit's foot fern happy, indirect light is best. It loves bright, filtered light like it would get under a forest canopy, but keep it out of harsh sun that can scorch the fronds. Use a well-draining mix. Think peat, moss, or cocoa coir blended with perlite. Keep the soil lightly moist, never soggy. Letting it dry out too much causes the fronds to crisp. Humidity, it loves. Aim for 50% or more, or give it a regular misting. This makes it a great bathroom plant too. As for the temperature, keep it comfy. 60 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit is its happy zone. Since rabbit's foot ferns love humidity, it does well with other tropicals like caleithias, peperomias, ferns, and even mosses. You can group them together to create a little rainforest corner that boosts humidity naturally. It also looks amazing spilling out of a hanging pot or elevated planter. One of the coolest things, the rhizomes keep growing, so instead of repotting it constantly, you can let them spill over and propagate new plants from the fuzzy runners. Just gently snip a piece with some fronds and the rhizome attached and place it in fresh soil. It's a living sculpture that's always changing shape. This plant is perfect for softening modern interiors. Those delicate fronds and fuzzy feet add movement and texture to any space, especially striking in hanging baskets or plant shelves or in terrarium style arrangements with wood and moss. And because it's non-toxic, it's also pet friendly, which is another big bonus. So if you're looking for something a little different, something lush, tactile, and full of personality, the rabbit's foot fern might be your next favorite. Thanks so much for hanging out today. And if you have a rabbit's foot fern or are planning to grab one, let me know in the comments on how you'll style it or care for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more plant tips and introductions. Until next time, keep growing.